Hello everyone, welcome or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and today I am so excited to be bringing you yet another Lululemon haul. And this one is kind of fall and winter inspired, so I'm really excited about it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first things first, let's start with what I am currently wearing, and this is the Final Mile crop tank. And I love it so much because it can be worn like by itself because it is pretty long, like longer than your average sports bra. But also it can be worn under things because it is really comfortable, so I really love it for either purpose. And also, before I get too far into this, I wanted to throw out that I am wearing a size 4 in every single one of these items, so if you are trying to get them yourself, just so you're aware. But I really love this top, you know, like I said, to wear by itself or under something. So it is just perfect for either of those. And also I need to show you the bottoms that I'm currently wearing. And this is the Pace Rival skirt in tall. And it is 4-way stretch, 15 inches. In the incognito camo multi gray and black. So I just love this so much, and together I just think it makes a really cute outfit. So now that I have shown you what I am literally wearing, let's get into showing the rest of my new items in this haul. So this is my newest sports bra, and obviously it is perfect for fall if you can see the pattern of it. And it is the Energy Bra Long Line Ice Dye. And it is medium padding in the color Ice Wash Moss Green. And I also got the matching green shorts. So these are the Fast and Free HR shorts in 10 inches. So together I just think they make the cutest little set. And biker shorts are just so cute and trendy right now. And again, I am just obsessed with this pattern. And I love matching sets, so I'm really excited to wear it. And I will show you them on together now. So next I have another outfit that I'm really excited about, and it's darker colors, so it goes for fall and winter vibes. So first it is this sweatshirt, which is the perfectly oversized crew in navy, and I have so many of these now because I love it. And I showed you my last haul when I got a white one, but I needed a darker one, you know, for the changing seasons, and they fit so cute, so I will show you that on. Also, I got these leggings that I thought would look really cute with that sweatshirt, and they are the Wonder Under HR Tight 28-inch flux, and I am just in love with the pattern of them. And they really go with like black or navy because of the colors of them, so it is like perfect because, you know, it's hard sometimes when things can't go either way. And I know, especially with like a navy sweatshirt, I don't like to wear black leggings with them just because like that's one of my things, but these leggings will look super cute with that sweatshirt. And like I said, it could go with this shirt too just because it does have some black in it. So now I will show you what those leggings look like on. So I feel like I just keep getting so many black tops, but I just love to have them and wear them all the time, so I guess I can never have enough. So this is the Ever Elated cropped long sleeve, and it is tight fitting and looks super cute on. I have tried this one on already, but I will do it again so you all can see. But yeah, I just think this one is so cute, and I will wear it literally all the time. So another thing that you can never have enough of is black leggings. And again, these are the Wonder Under HR Tight, but just in plain black. And I have so many pairs of these, but again, something you can never have enough of because I know I probably wear them way more than I should, and people probably think I'm wearing the same pair all the time, but I'm not. Proof, I have multiple pairs and just got this new pair. So moving on to outerwear, because I know, especially as a college student, and if you weren't aware, I do go to High Point University, which is in North Carolina. And it does tend to rain a lot, especially now because it is kind of hurricane season and we tend to get a lot of the after rain from those. But this is the Seek Vistas half zip jacket in the color Frontier. and I just love it because it is kind of gold and a lot of my accessories are gold. And I actually do have Burberry rain boots that are going to be so cute with this, so I'm really excited to wear that as like a full look, and I will definitely get some pictures to you guys. But I just love Lululemon jackets, and I think that they stay so nice and they really are perfect for whatever weather they are made for, if that makes sense. But yeah, this one is just super cute, and I will show you what it looks like on because I am absolutely obsessed with it. So these sweatshirts might not seem like outerwear to most people, but they really are so thick and they work as a jacket on their own. So this is the scuba hoodie in camo, and again, camo is trending right now, so I love to have that. But it's just such a nice weight jacket, so you can literally wear it like as it gets colder and still be warm because it's not like your average sweatshirt. And again, Lululemon makes them so well, so I just highly recommend, and I just think this print's so cute, so I'm really excited about it. And I actually just got it this weekend, so it was like one of the last pieces added to my haul. And actually, you probably noticed I have been excited about every single one of these pieces, but this one I'm actually the most excited about because Lululemon has never made anything like this, at least as far as I know. But this is the Oh So Sherpa full zip, and it is in red, as you can see, and it is fluffy, and it is going to be so warm and so cute. Like, Lululemon right now is making so much stuff that's like more work oriented, and I think that's just because a lot of people are working from home. But I am just so excited about this because it is so comfortable, so cute, and now I'm going to show it to you on me because I am actually obsessed with it. But that is all for this Lululemon try-on haul, fall/winter inspired, and I love all these pieces, and I love Lululemon so much, so I recommend everything that they make because I just think it wears so well, and you can wash it a million times and it never gets wrecked. So I am absolutely obsessed with all of their clothing and their brand as well. But that is all for this haul, so I will see you all next time. Bye guys.